Welcome to staraspectdesigns. This week we are going through a coastal vacation home. Now this is a vacation home that can be for family and also can be an Airbnb. Now the main focus of this house is the coastal sort of Lamu architecture. It's characterized by, the double volume heights for cross ventilation to ensure that there's passive cooling. You have the use of natural materials. So back there you have the pool and then a sunken terrace that is adjacent to the pool with a pool bar that you can actually sit and interact with people at the sunken terrace. In this particular design, we are embracing outdoor living. So there's very many outdoor spaces where you can sit and just relax. So the front facade of this home is characterized by arched windows and arched openings. And also, as you can see, some windows are characterized by sun shading panels that you can actually use to block the glazing from receiving too much heat. So for the front entrance, that is what you see. As you approach, you have that arched opening, and then you have the ornate Lamu door, which is a standard feature for most of the coastal homes. So once you enter, that is what you see. You have a direct look into that backyard with the pool. So once you enter, you have this lobby here where you have your storage and you can leave your keys and your shoes right there. Just at the entry also you have the cloakroom, and then you have this staircase that leads into the upper rooms. And then you have a feature here that is a pond where you can put fish or aquatic plants, rocks, really whatever you please. And then when you move away from that lobby, you go into this section here, which is the lounge. So this lounge here is a double volume lounge, and also as characterized by most of Swahili architecture, it's also a sunken lounge. So once you enter this arched opening here, you go down into this lounge seating. And the best thing about this lounge area is the double volume height ensures that there's circulation of air. As you know, in science, hot air rises. So by it being a double volume, it means that when the hot air rises, then you'll remain in a cool environment. As you can see also, this lounge is characterized by the niches Wall niches are also very key features for Swahili architecture. They had a history of, the merchants having to display their nicks and knacks from their trades. So this particular house also embraces that particular feature. And also there are these niches in the wall where you can actually just lie down and have a rest. And then from the lounge, you come to the dining and kitchen area. So this is an open plan, and also an open plan ensures also there is cross ventilation, because air comes in maybe through the door and leaves through the various windows that attach that particular open plan. So you have your dining here and your kitchen, and off the kitchen you have your laundry area, and then your pantry, and then you get out here into the kitchen yard. And once you get into the kitchen yard, then you can proceed directly into the DSQ, which is right there. Now let's go back to the entry lobby. The privacy gradient ensures that this area is open spaces for visitors. And then once you enter this particular arch here, then you enter the more private spaces. So here you have a bedroom that can actually fit maybe 3 4x6 beds, and that is why I stated this is a vacation home. Like, for example, if you have a family and you want to invite 3 other families, the kids can sleep in this bedroom and this bedroom here. So these 2 bedrooms share this one bathroom, and then there's this bedroom here also that is en suite with that particular bathroom. As you continue watching more of these videos, you'll be able to see the renders of the interior as they are. When you go back to the entry lobby, from the dining room, you can access the backyard through this door. And from the entry or from the bedrooms, you can also access the backyard through that door. So this is how the backyard looks like. This is the backyard that I was talking about, with the thatched roof covering that section. And then the pool, which is a 6 by 10 meter pool. And as I stated, it has a pool bar where you can sit at the pool while interacting with people seated at this sunken terrace right here. So from this particular view, that is what you see. So this is the pool section with that sunken terrace that has its own kitchen, dining, and sitting space. And this section here is characterized by grass pavers, which are porous, and also the open skies, where you could easily plant climbing plants or just cover it with makuti. There are very many options to employ in that particular section. And then from this sunken terrace here, you also have an outdoor cloakroom, which is right there, that can be used while lounging in this outdoor section instead of going into the house. So let's move on to the first floor. So I'll begin with this section here, which is the first floor balcony that you can see there. It has a pool table, but you can use it for very many uses. You can actually decide to close it up and make it a bedroom, but a balcony is more ideal, sort of like a terrace. So you have your pool table there, and then your bar right there, and more sitting space. And it's ideal because it also faces the pool, so it makes sure that even while you're lounging up there, you can interact with people who are swimming down below. So as you can see here, this is the first floor. This is the downstairs lobby here, where you have a double volume, same as the lounge right there. So once you climb up the stairs, you get into this corridor here that leads first into that outdoor terrace on the first floor that I've just shown you. And then as you proceed on this other end, you have this first bedroom here with its ensuite bathroom right there. That is what the bedroom looks like. And then you have the bathroom right there. This is what the stairs looks like from below, from above, I mean. So from this first bedroom, you then go into this door that leads you to the master bedroom, where you have your dressing space, your sitting space, and then your bed space. And then it's also ensuite with a bathtub in there Now this bathroom is also characterized by a clear roof that gives a very nice ambience inside this shower cabin, which I'll show you in later renders. And then also the master bedroom is characterized by a balcony that is out here. So you can access that balcony through this door, and you can sit there and interact with people down below at the pool. Now this house has a total of 5 bedrooms with a DSQ and a gatehouse. So from the bird's eye view, that is what you see of the first floor. So let's go into some of the interior renders of this house. So that's it for today. If you have any comments, please write down below. Tell me what you like about the house. Tell me how we could improve the house. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as we always say, live large.